Hello, Brittney. Hi, this is Tony Finley here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile up the road from the Galleria on Highway 31. Hey, Brittney, I want to thank you for contacting us on the 2017 Tucson. Now, you didn't specify a particular package or color that you have. I have them right here. I have a few of the 17s left. I've got it in the red, I've got it in the brownish orange color, I've got it in black, I've got it in Caribbean blue, silver, and what we call the dark gray back there. Now they come with power windows, power door locks, tilting cruise. They're standard with cloth interior with the keyless remote entry with the regular key. You do get backup camera on them, AM FM with XM radio. They also come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Here at Tameron, we double that to 20-year, 200,000 miles at no cost and no strings attached. They come with a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. They are 5-star safety rated, front, crash, side, and passenger 5-star safety rating. You also get outstanding gas mileage, and they run on 87 octane. You don't have to put 89 or 93 now unless you want. Now, my name is Tony Finley. I'm your preferred salesman, so you can give me a call here at 205-380-6250 or hit me on my personal cell at 205-335-3988. And give me a call. Let's set up a time for you to come in, go over exactly what you're looking for. I guarantee you great service and a great price here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, where you gonna look, where you been treated. You take care.